Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another macro from Monster Macro or macromonster.com, put out by somebody evidently named Shelby, and it's Shelby's Hotel Tech. This is actually a free macro. They have quite a few macros on their site that are freebies. Go to their site and look around. It's pretty cool, some of the macros they do. But I've already downloaded the GMS. I couldn't get it to work, and he's on Christmas holiday, and I didn't want to bother him, but I had my other macro guru took it and made it work for Corel 2019, so it should work with everything in below. So it'll be right here in the file section. And if you ever want to go to my Facebook page, which is Corel File Share, all one word on Corel Draw, and go, if you're in the discussion part and you look at some discussions, here is where it is, right here under the files. It'll be that, and you can download it and use it. So let's talk about what it does. There's several ways to write a font vertically, but this makes it so easy. Let's get here. Like if you ever wanted to write vertically on a photo plaque or a picture frame, all you have to do is select the word you've just typed out and use the hotel text macro, and it does that. What's so good about it, it's still a text, and you can still align it, get them letters closer together. And I mean, I've made several videos on how to do this, but you have to hit the H, enter, O, enter, T, enter, E, enter, L, enter, to get that to do it. But this font or this text does it for you. Anyway, so we need to thank the people at Macro Monster for allowing some freebies, and all of their macros are pretty inexpensive. So go to their website and kind of check it out, and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.